Consider a simple harmonic motion of time period t. Calculate the time taken for the displacement to change value from half the amplitude to the amplitude. Suppose equation of simple harmonic motion is x is equal to a sin omega t. Time period is t. T will be 2 pi by omega, or omega is 2 pi by t, and equation is x is equal to a sin 2 pi by t into t. Time at which particle is at half amplitude. Time when displacement x is equal to amplitude का half. X is equal to a by 2 is t1. So from equation number 1, x is a by 2 a sin 2 pi t into t1, और a से डिवाइड कर दें तो हाफ इज इक्वल टू साइन 2 पाई बाई टी इंटू t1, और साइन 2 पाई बाई टी इंटू t1 will be equal to sin pi by 6, और 2 pi by t into t1 is equal to pi by 6, और t1 is pi into t by 6 into 2 pi is equal to t by 12. t by 12 टाइम पर टाइम will be t by 12. Second, at x is equal to a, suppose time is equal to t2. इक्वेशन नंबर 1 से हम x के स्थान पर a पुट कर देंगे तो a will be a sin 2 pi by t, and t के स्थान पर t2, और 1 is equal to sin 2 pi by t into t2, and 1 is equal to sin pi by 2, or 2 pi by t into t2 will be pi by 2, or t2 is t by 4. Time difference t2 minus t1, t by 4 minus t by 12, or 12, 3 minus 1t, or t by 6.